Hello, my name is Macy Hudson, and today I will be talking about the legalization of marijuana. I'm sure most of you have heard of medical marijuana. It is legal in some states, but not in all 50. This is because medical marijuana is not federally legal. This is obviously a problem because it is not available everywhere in this country. Medical marijuana not being federally legal imposes a problem on people who need it. It also imposes a problem on people with federally funded jobs because it will not be excused on a drug test. Today, we will be talking about the different disorders marijuana can treat and why it should be federally legalized. Marijuana can treat many different disorders, including epileptic seizures, Dravet syndrome, glaucoma, cancer, Alzheimer's, and can also be used for pain management. Marijuana's active chemical, THC, binds to chemicals in the brain responsible for epileptic seizures. BusinessInsider.com notes that the original study was done on lab rats, and THC stopped the seizures for up to 10 hours. Marijuana can also treat Dravet syndrome. Dravet syndrome causes seizures and developmental delays. According to Business Insider, a 5-year-old girl went from having 300 seizures a week to having just one a week. Glaucoma can also be treated with marijuana. Glaucoma is the increase of pressure in the eyes. This increase in pressure causes the optic nerve to become compressed, resulting in a loss of vision and eventually blindness. Marijuana decreases the intraocular pressure. According to BusinessInsider.com, marijuana slows the progression of the disease, which can prevent blindness. According to BusinessInsider.com, marijuana can also help slow the progression of cancer cell reproduction. Cancer is the rapid reproduction of malignant cells. There is a gene called ID1 that helps cancer cells spread throughout the body. BusinessInsider.com states, cannabidiol stops cancer by turning off the gene called ID1. Another disease that can be treated with marijuana is Alzheimer's disease. Although marijuana cannot cure Alzheimer's, it does slow down the progression of the disease by slowing the formation of amyloid plaques. It does so by blocking an enzyme in the brain that makes amyloid plaques, according to BusinessInsider.com. Although it is not a disorder or a disease, marijuana can treat pain too. According to BusinessInsider.com, it can treat pain related to multiple sclerosis, arthritis, and chemotherapy. Multiple sclerosis, also known as MS, is a disease in which the body attacks the myelin sheath, or it attacks itself by eating away the myelin sheath. This results in many unpleasant side effects, according to Mayo Clinic. These side effects include numbness and severe fatigue. Arthritis is an inflammatory disease. This causes the joints to become large and difficult to use. This obviously results in severe pain. Marijuana also helps with pain and nausea related to chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is frequently used to treat cancer. Chemo is carcinogenic, meaning it kills cells. Chemo, however, does not differentiate between normal cells and malignant cells. So it kills all the cells. This results in pain as well. Now that I've shown you the benefits of medical marijuana, I'd like to tell you why federal legalization is the best. Marijuana is safer than some pharmaceuticals. According to medicinalmarijuana.com, pharmaceuticals are full of chemicals. Also, narcotics that are used to treat pain and anxiety can be very addictive. Marijuana is also all natural and chemical free. It is non-addictive, and it is an herbal remedy that's been used for many years. According to medicinalmarijuana.com, when patients are able to use marijuana instead of other drugs, the risk of addiction, overdose, and other serious side effects are decreased. Lastly, federal legalization means the government has control. According to medicinalmarijuana.com, this ensures you are actually getting cannabis. In other words, you are getting safe and high quality cannabis without the potential dangers of getting it off the street. Today we have looked at many different disorders marijuana can treat. We have learned that if marijuana were federally legalized, it would be so much safer than buying it off the street. So the next time someone says they don't agree with the legalization of medical marijuana, just give them a few of these amazing reasons and you'll have them convinced. Thank you.